Hi Giacomo, what are you doing?
Don't bother me, I'm texting with a friend of mine.
Friends are more important than the phone.
Sorry, you're right.
Hey guys, what are you thinking about?
And explaining that friendship is more important than the telephone.
I agree.
Yeah, Mom and Dad. Hello, Christina. What did you do today?
The usual things.
Look, Christina, let's talk.
About what?
Let's stay without the phone for 24 hours.
Okay.
Blue?
Sorry, Mom and Dad. I can't stay without my phone.
Family was at dinner for the usual meal when...
Stella, are you using the phone?
Yes, Mom. Why?
At dinner, you don't have to use your cell phone. I read today a magazine that too much use of cell phone is not good for you.
Oh, Mom.
Your mother is right. The boys use the cell phone too much.
You don't understand me, you're right.
Stella and Tommy understand that they were wrong and decide to listen to their parents.
Hi Francesca, how are you? I'm fine, but not disturbing me because I'm sending your messages. But I want to talk to you, not now. I'm doing very important things. Okay, then you have decided. Friend or smartphone? This choice is very difficult. You are my best friend, so I will choose you. Thank you. You are my best friend, and I hope you will be best friends forever. You're right. The smartphone is not important.
Alexia, how about going fishing? So you want to play with those electronic gadgets for a day? Okay. Come on, show a bit of enthusiasm. We leave tomorrow morning to go to the district lake. Okay, Alexia. Today we'll teach you how to fish, and if you want, we can swim in the lake later.
Okay, Mom. Can we swim right away and teach me how to fish?
Alright, let's go.
Mom, I'm ready. Let's dive.
Be careful, my daughter.
Splash!
Oh no, I forgot the phone in my pocket. Why? I was talking about.
Don't worry, I'll buy another one.
Okay, Mom, but I realize it that I don't need the phone when I do funny things, so I will use it really in the future.
I'm very proud of you, Alexia.
I bought a dog for you. This is Daisy.
I don't care. I will grab my phone.
The power went down. Now you can play with Daisy.
Okay, Daisy. Let's pretend to play.
Woof woof!
Dad, I had so much fun with Daisy. Thus I will not use the phone too much as before.
I'm so happy you choose that.
Did you know I'm on Instagram? Now you have Isabel app to register yourself, of course. OMG, you don't know how long I was waiting for this day. Okay, even though I don't understand why you didn't register before. It's so beautiful.
I agree.
I don't need.
Perfect.
See you tomorrow. I can't believe it. You have 1,000 followers.
It's a crazy record. I don't know how you managed it in such a short time.
Yes, I don't believe in it. Sorry, but now you won't take picture and post Instagram. Hey, what? I can't recognize you anymore. It's not good for you to spend all this time on the phone.
Are you kidding? What happens to you?
I think you're just jealous. So goodbye, my ex-best friend.